In this video, I'm going to show you how to install NDI plugin on OBS. So the first thing you'll need is, of course, the NDI tools itself. So you want to go to this link, which is ndi.video, and then on here on the official website of theirs, you'll have to click on tools up here. And then you can download this for either Windows or Mac. So whichever one you have, of course, download it for that. I have Windows, so I just downloaded this, as you can see. And then you want to open this up once it downloads. And then once that basically opens up in a few seconds, when it's going to load, there we go. You want to accept the agreement. Of course, you have to read through it before you do that. Click on next. Then you want to select where you want to install this. Click next. And then this will basically start installing everything. Now with this, of course, you'll be able to then use your NDI tools. But now first, let's add them to our OBS as well. And the way you can do this while this is installing, you want to go to Google and type in OBS NDI. Once you do this, you want to click on Distro AV Network Audio/Video in OBS Studio using NDI. So click on that. Should be the first link up top in most cases. And then over here, you want to click on the right where it says Go to Download. What this will do is it will take you over here to this website where you can see the latest version. And then at the very bottom, you'll see a few different things over here. So assuming you have Windows over here, you're going to have to click this one, which is Windows x64 installer. But if you have Linux, these are over here for you. And this one is for the Mac OS. So click on installer in case you have Windows. Click like this. There we go. And what this will do is it will install this package. So you want to click on that. And then we have to install it on our computer. Now, in here, it's just going to look like an agreement. Click on next again, and then next again, and then install. Now, after you've done this, you can click finish to exit setup. Now, I'm going to pull up my OBS over here, and as you can see, it's not going to show because you first have to restart your OBS. So let me just show you. I'm going to just open up a separate instance of OBS over here, if it's going to allow me to. And once that happens, basically, I should be able to open up these tools. So let's just wait for this to open up because it should be possible. There we go. So it's already running. I'm going to launch it anyway. And it's going to launch up. It should in just a few seconds. There we go. Now, this one is basically the OBS. Now it's refreshed. You go to Tools up here. And now inside the tools, you should see your NDI, okay? So now you should see it. If you don't see it, unfortunately, you will have to basically just completely restart your OBS. I'm recording right now, so I cannot restart it. And yeah, there's actually no way for me to do this right now because the recording is going to stop. But of course, in the meantime, over here, the NDI launcher has basically been installed. You have to first just register. You have to put in your first name, last name, email, your country, and your industry. Agree to the policy and click on register. And after that, you're going to have that installed on your computer. And then once you've done this, I would recommend just shutting down OBS and then opening up back again. So let me actually just pause this recording and I'll come back to you when this is done. There we go, I've just restarted my recording and my OBS, and if I go to tools right now, as you can see, Distro AV NDI settings are now available. I can click on this, and there we go, this is now your NDI settings from Distro AV, and that is exactly how you install the NDI plugin on OBS. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.